Well, welcome back, YouTube. This is the Bullock family once again, and this is Baking with the Bullocks. Enjoy. Okay, so here is the first ingredient. This is Pam nonstick cooking oil. Alright, so this is like a 13.9 pan here. Just go ahead and spray it. And here is the second ingredient. This is cookie dough. Alright. Alright, and you're just gonna, kind of evenly distribute this. Just break it apart. Like so. This is about 32 ounces. You don't have to worry about getting name brand things. Honestly, I feel like everything tastes the same. Pillsbury is really good though. So, just as a reference, that is. Alright, as you can see, I have evenly distributed across the pan here. Alright, so we have everything properly placed as far as the dough is concerned. And now I would like to introduce Oreos. Alright. Alright, and now we're going to simply place the Oreos right over top of our cookie dough. Alright, and this is the last row that I'm putting here.
Looks good.
Alright. I just kind of want to place it evenly there. But everything is properly placed. We are going to introduce our fudge. And also, my hubby is going to do all the beautiful stirring, so enjoy. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and pour in our fudge brownie mix there. Okay, and now we're going to pour in our half a cup of vegetable oil, whatever your oil of choice is. Okay, and now we're going to pour in about 3 tablespoons of water. Okay, and now we have our 2 eggs here. Look at that. Skill.
Thank you, babe. Oh shit.
Right, and here's the mixing. This is the part that I told you to enjoy. Got my strong man doing his thing. Alright. And he is mixing away. Would you look at that? I love Fudge Brownies. Alright. Look at that consistency. That's what you want right there. It's perfect. Thank you, babe.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and spread it right on top of everything. This is just so beautiful. Spread it right over top of our Oreos, like so. I don't know about y'all, but I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the way that it should look. Okay, and we have our oven already preset to 325. It is in the oven, and you want to let it cook for about, I guess, low and slow for about an hour and 7 minutes. And it is officially out of the oven. So we did modify the time frame. We did it for about an hour. So if you want to just shave away maybe the 7 minutes for cooling purposes, that would be lovely. Here we are. Alright, and that's what it looks like when it's evenly cut there. And you have about 20 brownies. Alright, so this is the finished product.
Smells wonderful.
So what do we call this?
It is the Oreo chocolate chip
Fudge brownie.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a whole mouthful. So this is what it looks like, everyone. Very, very tasty.
It's moist.
So you want to try?
I'm going to try it.
Okay.
And get your milk.
Alright, of course we have our milk, guys. This is my cup, Mrs. Mister. Alright.
Same time.
Okay, I'm going to grab this one. Ooh, this one's pretty big.
It's okay.
Alright. Ready?
Ready. Okay. It's falling. Nice texture.
So first time, you think it's pretty good?
Yeah, about first time. Nice. What's your take? You still tasting it out or something?
Ooh, this is really good.
It's that good. She's speechless, you guys.
No, it's really good though, honestly.
Oh, no. It's like melt in there. Go right through that. I'll get that back. You bite right through it.
Actually bit through the whole thing?
Okay.
So this was lovely.
It is.
I feel like we're just eating.
Yeah.
So guys, we're just trying it out for the first time to see how it tastes, to see if we would recommend it. And my personal opinion, I definitely would recommend it. I mean, I know it's probably overkill as far as the sweets are concerned in that department. But every now and then, it's nothing wrong with treating yourself. So just watch your calories, your intake, and all of that. You'll be fine.
Yeah. It's perfect. Come back.
Oh.
Hey, she's back. That's on me.
Sorry guys, he was making me laugh really hard, so I had to go off screen for a while.
My bad.
Yeah, but I'd say it was a success.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it, so we do highly recommend trying these scrumptious. See, we already digged into it.
Chip fudge brownies.
Yes. Like I said, it sounds overkill, but honestly, it's a lovely treat, so I would highly recommend it.
I would recommend cooling it. Let it cool in the refrigerator for maybe an hour or so. Let it lock in place, and you straight.
Yeah.
With some milk. I don't know how you like your milk, warm or whatever, but
I like mine.
Just make sure you have milk. So
Yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah.
Let us know if you want more baking videos or more cooking videos or whatever. If you enjoyed this video.
Yes, let us know.
Yeah. So, you have any ideas?
Yeah. Comment.
So, all right. See you guys in the next vlog. God bless you.
Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe.
See you next video.